One cannot imagine a culture that does not have the four cardinal directions, yet they assume different importance in different languages. If one is asked to name the four directions in order, there are 24 possible permutations in the sequence in which they can be named. In English, the most common is north, south, east, west, or northeast, southwest. However, in Chinese, one cites the four cardinal directions in this order: east, south, west, north, whereas in Japanese, which uses the same Chinese characters to mark the directions, the order is east, west, south, north. The reckoning of time and age is another example of pseudo-universals. A person's age in the West does not correspond to a person's age in China, for example. Time is computed on an absolute scale in the West, so that a person's age is determined by the exact amount of time he has lived. But in China, the question about a person's age asks in how many calendar years you have lived, which is not entirely the same thing. Farmers are familiar with calculating how many springs they have lived through. In other words, a 1-month-old baby is considered by the Chinese as having lived in one calendar year. The Chinese in their language consider him 1 year old until the next year. On New Year's Day, everyone adds a year to his or her age. New Year's Day is, in a sense, everyone's birthday. So in point of fact, a baby born on a month before the New Year can be in his second year by his second month. He is 1 year old at birth, and then a month later, because of New Year's Day, he is 2 years old.